Yeah, hi friends. Thanks for watching this video. In this video, we will show you how to replace the HP laptop screen. So be careful. Please observe the video very carefully. So first we are removing the casing of the screen. You can see while removing the case, you have to handle with carefully. After that, we have to remove the screws from the screen. So don't press the screwdriver very hard, just smoothly you have to remove the screws. So in the bottom of the screen we have two screws, as well as right side of the screen we have two screws. After that, top of the screen we have one more screw. You have to remove all the screws very carefully. After removing the screws, here we can see corner of the top we have one plastic tape. The tape has having some gum. It will attach the screen to the laptop case. So before removing that tape, you have to first remove the top of the ribbon. Now you see how I am removing the tape. So you have to remove the tape completely. Now you see the screen was detached from the casing. So here one display cable is there for LED. So you have to remove the first tape of the LED ribbon, and after that detach that screen. Now you see the screen simply came out. After that we have to replace new LED screen. So we purchased it through online. So it is available in Amazon. The cost of the screen is 5,600. This is a original part from HP. So previously we have removed the display cable. Now we are connecting the display cable now. So you can see how we are connecting. After that we have to paste the tape. See, previously we have removed that gum ribbons. It will attach our screen to casing. So here they given two ribbons. So for one for right hand, one for left side. See how I am applying the ribbon. Observe carefully. Just by simply pasting the ribbon. Yeah, like this. Like this we have to paste the attaching ribbons. Now you see we are placing the laptop screen to laptop body. While handle with the screen we have to be very careful, because it is very smooth part. So we have to use our hands very smoothly. After that we have to fix our outer casing neatly by pressing with fingers. So it is like a lock system. So just pressing that locks, it will automatically fix the outer casing. So very easy. No need to bother how to fix the LCD screen. It is very easy. After seeing this video you can easily fix your laptop problems. So don't go to any service center. Just order online the screen, just fix it at home. Now I am testing the screen. It is working well. Thanks for watching this.